close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breathing. Focus on your breath. Your eyes are closed. Your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm. As you are beginning to go deep into a meditation that is very comfortable and very soothing. Breathe in and breathe out, taking longer, deeper breaths in and longer, deeper breaths out with a smile on your face. And with each and every breath, just allow your body to release all the stress, all the tension. Breathe in and breathe out, bringing in your awareness to your physical body. Today, let's practice being present with the body. Before you begin connecting with your body, just be aware and present to all the angels and guides and so many magical beings that are there around you. Be aware that the earth and the universe is supporting you. Be aware that the source energy is providing you. Imagine a bright white light and golden light all around you. Imagine that you are in the middle of a big ball of energy filled with divine white and golden light. Breathe in and breathe out, bringing your awareness to the top of your head. Feel as if there is a flow of energy right from the top of your head, as if there's a fountain of energy flowing in from your crown, healing every cell of your body, across the entire head, the entire face, the ears, the neck, the shoulders. And as the divine light and energy flow through the cells of the body, they release all the stress and all the energy blockages that are not required anymore. Just observe the divine light and energy flowing across the shoulders, the arms, the hands, the fingers, the front and the back of the chest area, flowing all the way to the abdominal area, the front and the back of the abdominal area, and the entire digestive system, all the way to the lower abdominal area, healing the entire reproductive system in the front and the kidneys at the back, all the way to the genitals, the base of the spine, all the way to the thighs, the knees, the calves, to the feet, and out of the feet to the Mother Earth, again creating the flow of energy from the earth to the universe, and from the universe all the way back to you and through your body, out of your feet to the earth again. And simultaneously, the energies of the earth flows from the earth to your feet, filling you up with the divine energies, all the way through the calves, the knees, the thighs, the genitals, all the way up through the entire digestive system to the heart, all the way up to the throat, the face, the head, and out of the head to the universe, flowing from the universe back to the earth. And as this energy flows through your body in both the directions, there is a movement of energy in and around you. And this vibration releases everything that is not contributing to you anymore. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow your body to release everything that your body is ready to release. Allow movement to flow into your life, in and around your body, making all the places that you are stuck in and you are stagnant at to move, adding more movement in your life, not just with your body, with your thoughts, with your emotions. Where in your life do you require to move? Where in your life have been wanting to and thinking to move? Allow your body to release all the fears and insecurities of that movement. Let it all just dissipate in this light, bringing in the trust and clarity and confidence and courage to move, to make the choices you are ready to make. Expand your awareness beyond your body, connecting with all these angels and guides and magical beings around you, asking them to guide you and contribute to you, to all the movements you require to make with your body, with your thoughts, with your relationships, maybe with the place or work, wherever. It's time to move. Guide me, contribute to me, to move with ease and fun, and to greater and greater possibility and prosperity. You can repeat with me. I trust myself. I trust my angels and guides and so many magical beings that are around me and with me. I trust the Mother Earth and the universe and collective consciousness and source energy. I know I am not alone, and I choose to be ever expanding vibrational being that I am, and I choose to move to my greater realities and possibilities. I know I am provided and taken care of. I am safe, and every day, in every way, I am moving towards greater possibilities. I am living fulfilling and phenomenal life. Taking a long deep breath in, thanking your angels and guides and all the magical beings around you, thanking the Mother Earth and the universe and collective consciousness and the source energy, asking them all to contribute to you as you live through the day to day towards your highest and best. Guide every action, every move of yours, thanking your breath, your body, yourself, and any and all the beings who ever contributed to you in all the ways they did. Being present with your physical body, right from the top of your head all the way to the tips of your toes. You can move your hands and your feet a little bit. You can rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually, as you feel comfortable, You can just open your eyes.